3.
There. Anybody else would have clicked ahead of me, but you waited. We do it at the same time. So what we have here is a gelato, a chocolate flavored. And
No. Gelato.
Gelato.
Same thing.
And Dirk's got it in his hand here, and we'll let Dirk take it from here.
Alright, so gelato, for you folks out there, it's just Italian's version of ice cream, or Italy's version of ice cream. It's just supposed to be softer, like a softer texture, if you will. And the flavor's double dark chocolate. Pretty excited. Del, do you want to read the nutrition facts if you want?
I'll take your word for it.
Okay, sounds good. So
are we ready to rock?
Yeah, let's just go.
All right.
Yeah, let's just go in.
I know the Italians have that gelato. They have it different flavors too, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is double dark chocolate.
A lot of them are like nuts and stuff. Like pistachios and...
First impressions, this is very good. I can definitely tell it's like a darker chocolate. You know, it just tastes not richer, but
What is it called?
Double dark.
double dark chocolate. It's definitely a more bold chocolate for sure.
How do you say the brand name?
Talenti, I think. Talenti? Del, how would you pronounce this?
So far, I got gelato wrong. What did I call it? Gelato?
Yeah.
And then what was the other thing I
Feta,
mispronounced? Kombushi. I always murder that one.
Feta was a big one.
Feta and feta. So, I don't know. I would call it Talenti. Talenti.
There we go.
What does it taste like?
It just tastes like chocolate ice cream for the most part.
It has a little chips in there too.
Chip.
Oh yeah, it also has chocolate chips in here.
I didn't even know that.
That's probably the double because there's just chips in here.
That would have been important to hear earlier.
Took you 2 minutes to get there.
It's fine, but no, this is really good. I wouldn't put this over frozen custard, but it's definitely like a quality dessert. Like, I would definitely eat this or buy it again. What would you say, Del?
Ditto to that, though. Ditto. Called you Dirk. I called you Del instead of Dirk. 90s.
Overall, I will give this an 8 out of 10. It's really good, but it's not like frozen custard level. What about you, Del?
That's why we got you here, to make those remarks, because you're right on.
Right on the money.
Yeah. Well, we have you here because we like you and you're our friend, but the other things are just, extra.
Of course. But yeah, overall remarks, really good. It's pretty icy, so that's why I would have this, like, besides frozen custard. But yeah, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10.